Welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss about FDMA, TDMA and CDMA. These are the fundamentals of communication access technology. That is, digital radio has developed ways in which more than one conversation can be accommodated inside the same physical RF channel. There are three common ways: frequency division multiple access, time division multiple access, and code division multiple access. First, we concentrate FDMA, that is frequency division multiple access. The RF channel is split into several smaller subchannels to different users to access the network. For example, one 12.5 kHz wide narrowband FM channel that previously carried only one conversation, it becomes two 6.25 kHz subchannels, each capable of carrying a separate conversation. The features of FDMA: it allots the different subbands of frequency to each different users to access the network. It is implemented in narrowband system and it is less complex than TDMA. Tight filtering is done where to reduce adjacent channel interface. The base station and mobile station transmit and receive simultaneously and continuously in FDMA. Next, time division multiple access. For splitting the original RF channel into two RF subchannels, it is split into time slots. The transmitted RF frequency is identical to each slot, but each slot is still capable of carrying the separate conversation. In the diagram, the channel is split into 4 time slots. So in each slot, the speech is transmitted in a quarter of the time taken to say it. A telephone style conversation can be set up if the certain slots are used for transmit and other for receive. The features of TDMA: it shares a single carrier frequency for several users, where each user makes use of non-overlapping time slots. Data transmission in TDMA is not continuous. It uses different time slot for transmission and reception, thus duplex are not required. TDMA has an advantage that is possible to allocate different number of time slots per frame to different users. Bandwidth can be supplied on demand to different users by concatenating or reassigning time slot based on priority. Next, code division multiple access. For splitting the RF channel into subchannels or time slot, each slot has a unique code. Unlike FDMA, the transmitted RF frequency is the same in each slot, and unlike TDMA, the slots are transmitted simultaneously. In the diagram, the channel is split into 4 code slots. Each slot is still capable of carrying a separate conversation because the server only reconstructs information sent from a transmitter with the same code. Features of CDMA: in CDMA, every user uses the full available spectrum instead of getting allotted by separate frequency. CDMA is much recommended for voice and data communication. While multiple codes occupy the same channel in CDMA, the users have the same code can communicate with each other. CDMA offers more airspace capacity than TDMA. The handoff between base station is very well handled by CDMA. Thank you.